Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to text, bold, italic and underline in Google Sheets document. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show text, bold, italic and underline. Now going to the select from the text firstly. Now text bold. Now going to the format menu option. Now click for text option. Now click for bold. That is. Then again select from the text. Now going to the format menu option. Now click for text option. Now click for bold. That is. And italic text. Now select from the text. Now going to the format menu option. Now click for text. Now click for italic. That is. Then again another text. Now select from text. Now click for format menu option. Now click for text. Now click for italic. That is. And underline text. Now going to the now select from text. Now going to format menu option. Now click for text option. Then click for underline. That's it. Now another text, add underline, and the same process. Now click for underline option. Now select from text. Now going to the format menu option. Now click for text option. Now click for underline. That's it. Then again another text. Now going to the format menu option. Now click for text. Now click for underline. Then again the underline in the same process. Now for apply. That is. Then I show text, bold, italic and underline in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for